and welcome to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to share a folder on Dropbox. So let's have a look now. Go to the Dropbox website and logging into your Dropbox account. Once logged in, locate the folder you want to share. Hover over the folder you want to share. Click on the Share button. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to share with the folder with. Alternatively, you can generate a link to the folder and share that link manually. Choose the level of access or permissions for the recipient. Click Share Folder to send the folder invitation. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.